Thank you. Someone requested this song earlier, kind of. I mean, they just asked me if I was playing it, and I was like, now I am. I didn't write it. The brilliant person who produced my super rad album, can I just say my album is amazing? Right? I can say that. Is that? I have a big crush on it. Anyway, the person who produced it wrote this song, and it's on there too. In the old San Francisco Bay, there's a girl, a typewriter girl, born on the first day of summer in 1928. This girl, the typewriter girl, rode into work on her bicycle every day. She typed out every letter of every word that everybody did say. This girl, the typewriter girl, waved to the drum major leading the ticker tape parade. The ink on her dress leaves a stain in the shape of a blade. In the old San Francisco Bay, there's a girl, a typewriter girl, riding to work on her bicycle every day. On the first day of summer in 1940 and 8, this girl, the typewriter girl, under the wheels of a cable car did break. Such innocent, 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 innocent type. In an innocent, 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 innocent face. It's a cruel